If you had to make 500 Rand extra this month using only what you already know and who you already know, what would you do? Let me repeat that. If you had to make an extra 500 Rand this month using only what you already know and who you already know, what would you do? Your answer might be perhaps a side hustle. There's a reason everyone is taking on multiple income streams right now, and it's got nothing to do with trends. It's economics. One income in an uncertain job market, with inflation eating at purchasing power every month. That's quite a fragile foundation. It's a very slippery slope. People aren't building side hustles because they want to be entrepreneurs. They're building them because they can feel the ground shifting. So they're tutoring, delivering, selling on marketplace, doing hair and nails from home, freelancing, reselling. It's all just survival with ambition attached. But the version they're selling on social media and the reality are two different things. The overnight success, the person who went from broke to 50K a month in 3 months, those stories do exist. They do exist, but they're also the exception. Building your starting expectations around the exception is how you end up feeling like a failure for making 1.5 a month on the side, which is actually a meaningful amount of money to make because it didn't exist before. Here's what I think separates the people who make something from the ones who stay in planning mode. They start before they're ready. One client before the logo. One sale before the business bank account. One person helped before your brand name. The logo and the name and the website come after you have the evidence that what you're doing actually works. Before that, they're just expensive delay. And the most sustainable side hustles are not built on what looks impressive. They're built on what someone already needs. Let me repeat that. They're not built by how something looks impressive or how your thing looks impressive. They're built on what someone already needs. Do you write well? CVs, content for small businesses, proofreading. Do you do hair? Your community is already the market. You understand numbers? People around you need tax help. Tax season is coming. It's creeping upon us. It's within, even if you look closely. Bookkeeping, small business budget coaching, the skill exists. The gap is claiming it and charging without apologizing for the price. You have the skill. The gap is claiming it and charging for it and not apologizing for the price. The side hustle isn't just income. The clients you help build your reputation. The skills you develop or sharpen over time. The people who refer you become your network. Robert Kiyosaki's observation holds here. The richest people build networks. Everyone else looks for work. At its best, a side hustle is both. building network and creating work. So back to the question, 500 Rand extra a month. What you already know, who you already know, what's the answer? What's the answer to that? What can you do with what you know and who you know to make an extra $500 a month? If you got this far, leave it in the comments. Name one thing you would do with what you know and who you know in order to attempt to make 500 Rands extra this month. Subscribe to the Daily Development Dose and you'll be hearing from me tomorrow. Sayonara.